How do Mitsubishi Outlander Wheel Spacers work? Mitsubishi Outlander Wheel Spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality Mitsubishi Outlander Wheel Spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, customized changes at the handling, and more. Mitsubishi Outlander Wheel Spacers offer easy and free-wheel position adjustments, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The lines of the vehicle will be fuller, definite and aggressive, and track-filled appearance. Using Mitsubishi Outlander Wheel Spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame. We have assembly other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you are looking to upgrade the wheels with good Mitsubishi Outlander Wheel Spacers, then look further than BONOSS. The BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Mitsubishi Outlander Wheel Spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS and theory test reports. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 15mm to 50mm. BONOSS Mitsubishi Outlander Wheel Spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent techniques, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the sheet spacers that use low quality are not strong enough and will default and endanger driving safety under strong impact. Compared with industry standards, the sheet spacers which use low quality materials are not strong enough and will default and endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Mitsubishi Outlander Wheel Spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, BONOSS forged actively Mitsubishi Outlander Wheel Spacers are designed with heat filtration grooves to make brake cooling better. Distributed in paddle shape, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve road safety. Also, the BONOSS Mitsubishi Outlander Wheel Spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.